Hi grade 8s, Cycle 16 is all about 8th note, 16th note combinations. In order to understand those, let's review what we learned last cycle about 16th notes. If we have a bar of 4/4 time, we can subdivide it in lots of different ways, but in these three ways, we're breaking the bar into equally sized pieces. 4 quarter notes, 8 eighth notes, 16 16th notes. They get counted like this. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. But the thing is, music is a lot like birthday cake. We don't always want to divide the bar into equally sized pieces. Just like with birthday cake, we don't all want the same sized piece of cake. I mean, personally, I want to eat the whole cake, but that's not nice sharing. So with 8th note, 16th note combinations, we can share the notes a little bit and make differently sized notes inside of one bar. For example, let's take a look at line 78. In line 78, we see in bar 1 right away on the first two notes a rhythm that has an 8th note followed by 2 16th notes. Now we know that the first count of the bar, the first note that happens on the first count of the bar is always on 1. And since it's an 8th note, it's worth both 1 and the E 16th note. These 2 16th notes therefore would show up on and a. So counting wise, this sounds like this. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a. All the way through line 78, we see this 1 and a rhythm. In line 79, we see the same one. Little words of the wise about line 78. Watch out for the accidental in bar 6. Pay attention to the key signature. If we look at line 84, look at your key signature. And also look at how instead of having the 8th note first, we have the 16th notes first. So when we have a 2 16th note, 8th note combination, 1 E and, the first note is the 16th note, the second note, there's the 16th note. Now we know the 8th note is going to show up next, and the 8th note is worth the and as well as the ah count. So this combination of 2 16th notes followed by an 8th is like this. 1 E and, 2 E and, 3 E and, 4 E and. So I'll clap 4 counts of this one, and then 4 counts of this one, and you can hear how they reverse. Here you go. 1, 2, this one first. 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and a 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section.